What's going on out there, A.B.A.T.E of Illinois? It's your state legislative coordinator, Josh Witkowski. It's a little after 10:30 at night on Monday, February 19th. A couple hours ago, we learned that House Bill 1634, which is a California emissions bill, will be heard in committee tomorrow, Tuesday, the 20th, at 4 p.m. What this bill does is subject the state of Illinois to California Air Resources Board emissions requirements, basically putting the entire state of Illinois under the purview of unelected bureaucrats in the state of California who will then set the rules regarding vehicles here in Illinois. Where that gets particularly troublesome is two main areas. One, they have a mandate for a ban on internal combustion engines coming up in not too many years. That ban would affect motorcycles in the state of Illinois if this bill were to pass, and we here at A.B.A.T.E support the right for riders to choose what kind of vehicle they ride on, whether that be internal combustion engine or electric. We do support both in our organization. The other part of this is that it becomes a lot harder to maintain your motorcycles and off-road vehicles under California restrictions. Some of you may have seen the videos going around with the Drag Specialties 2024 Big Book, the Book of Parts, where they have numerous waivers, restrictions, documentation requirements, basically making it very difficult for you to obtain parts that you would normally use to maintain or work on your motorcycles as it relates to fuel, air, and exhaust systems. Obviously, that's a problem. We support the right to be able to work on your own stuff. You should have access to those parts. You should not be overly restricted by an overburdensome government. And you sure as heck should not be subject to the whims of an unelected group of bureaucrats in California when you live right here in Illinois. So we're asking you to do a couple of things. One, share this video. Two, check for the link down in the comments section. Click the link. File a witness slip that you're going to be opposed to the original bill, record of appearance only. At last count, which was about an hour ago, there were over 1,600 opponents to this bill. It is not just motorcycles that are going to be affected by it. We've got motorcycles, classic cars, tow truck operators. The trucking industry in and of itself is up in arms over this. Basically, anybody who has anything to do with transportation realizes this is a bad deal for the state of Illinois, and it is important to show that level of opposition. So please share this video, click the link down in the comments. We hope to be bringing you more in the future. You can see we're trying to get the home studio here set up a little bit more. In other news, the other bill that we are expecting to pop up tomorrow regarding autonomous vehicles will not happen. That's why you did not see an alert this morning. That changed over to the course of today. And then, of course, we still have the helmet bill that's out there. I'll do a little bit of video a little bit later on this week talking about that. We hope to talk to the bill sponsor and find out what's going on, what their intent is, and what we need to do. But until then, everybody have themselves a good week and wait for further updates from the State House. Talk to you later.